Went shopping today, came home with some favorite things going into fall and thought that I would jump on here because, believe it or not, all the stores are clearing out their summer and they're bringing in the fall. So it's a perfect time to buy some transitional pieces, and I want to show you what I got. I'm so excited. And believe it or not, I got 3 pair of joggers, and that's mainly what I want to show you today because they are the big thing right now. They're sort of like a notch above athleisure because you can dress them up or down. So I'm going to start and show you the first pair that I got at Anthropologie that I absolutely love. Okay, I got these in camo, but we'll start at the top. They're just the drawstring with the elastic band, and then they have great pockets, and then they have pockets in the back. Okay, and then you just go down. They're a little bit loose, they're not too tight, and then they have this elastic band. Okay, and then on the side, they have this band as well. If you order these online, take note, these are so stretchy. I went down really two sizes, and they're still a little large. These are very, very stretchy and forgiving. So I like to pair joggers, especially if they're a little loose, with more fitted tops, and this is just an Athleta. I think this is a new color, and then it's got the sort of the racer back. But anyway, you can just throw on some casual pearls, or you can throw on actually a scarf, or you can put on a cap, just whatever fits where you're going. Dress it up or down. But anyway, really love these. Today they were 40% off, so they were like $60, which is great. So now I'm going to show you another pair. Okay, I'm loving these. I got these at Athleta, and they are so comfortable. So I'm going to show you the top. They have this stretchy elastic band with the tie, and again they have the cargo type pockets, and they have the pockets in the back. Then they have the band going down the side, and then they've got the elastic. These are stretchy, stretchy, stretchy. So you can probably go down a size, maybe 2. These are great going into fall. I just have the Athleta. This is the Renew Racerback, and I wear this with a lot. You can just throw on a choker, throw on some layering necklaces. You can throw on a wrap over it. I actually just have these very casual flats on with it. You can do your sneakers. But anyway, these camo are one of my favorites, and they are at Athleta. Okay guys, these are so fun. This bright pink, and it's sort of a washed chambray. Not as stretchy as the others, but they are a looser fitting. They have the elastic stretchy waist with this tie. Then they have these pockets on the front, pockets on the back, and then the bottom you have the elastic band. Whoops. Okay, I just threw some slides on with these, and then I got this top. Both of these came from Anthropologie. Got this top. It's a stretchy top. This is true to size, and I think that white goes well with this bright pink, as does black. They had several other colors. Some were bright and some were more fall, but I really, really like these. And again, today at Anthropologie they were 40% off, but this is great to round out the summer and get to enjoy brights and whites until we get to fall. Just want to show you all the difference when you pair black with the pink. I think it's a great look, but it's different. And then I just paired some simple flats and very casual. This is from Anthropologie. It's just a tank, and it's true to size, but this is just another way to wear these hot pinks. Okay, here's my third pair from Anthro. These are probably the softest things I've ever put on, and they're thin and there's no stretch, so pretty much you get what you get when you put them on. And they are banded in here. Then they've got several little pockets, and the waistband is like this. I love this waistband. And then it does have the tie, and it has these pockets in the back. These are so fab, and these are true to size. This is another one of the tanks from Anthropologie, and I love that this will go with some bright summer colors. It'll go with white, and then this can also go with some of the fall tops, and I'll throw one on and just show you the difference. And then I'm wearing this with just my Steve Madden Golden Goose dupes. Thank you, Melanie Schenkel, for recommending these. They are so super comfy. But any sneaker, any kind of fashion sneaker would go with this kind of outfit. So I'm going to change tops and show you a different color combination. Okay, this is another tank from Anthropologie, and of course this is more summery, but it's more of a monochromatic look, but I really like it. And also this Athleta tank and this rich plum, this berry, any of the tanks and tops from Athleta, Anthropologie had a good assortment of these tanks and the sleeveless. So highly recommend checking out Anthropologie's joggers and their tops. I think you will so enjoy them for the fall transition and also just for being comfortable where most of us are right now, at home. I hope this has helped, and y'all have a great day.